Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we see the question to check continuity of a given function at a given point. The question is f of x is equal to log of 100 plus log of bracket 0.01 plus x bracket complete whole thing divided by 3x comma x not equal to 0 is equal to 100 upon 3 comma x equal to 0 at x equal to 0. So here again we have to check the given function fx is continuous or discontinuous at a indicated point x equal to 0. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we write f of x is equal to 100 upon 3 comma x equal to 0. That is given. Therefore, now for x we have to substitute 0. So therefore, f of 0 is equal to 100 upon 3. Let us this denote as the equation 1. The next step is limit x tends to 0 f of x that equal to limit x tends to 0. Now x tends to 0 means x not equal to 0, and for x not equal to 0 we have given f of x is equal to log of 100 plus log of 0.01 plus x and whole thing divided by 3x. Now here we use a rule connected to the log function, that log a to the base k plus log b to the base k that equal to log of a into b to the base k. So by using this rule, the next step will be is equal to limit x tends to 0 log in bracket 100 into another bracket 0.01 plus x and finally square bracket completed. Then whole thing divided by 3x. So that equal to limit x tends to 0 log in bracket. Now 100 into 0.01. So that gives 1 plus 100 multiplied by x. So we get 100x bracket complete and then whole thing divided by 3x. Now again here we have to use the limits of logarithmic function formula. So that can be written as limit x tends to 0 log in bracket 1 plus x upon x then we get 1. So in present case, we can write limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus 100x upon 100x into 100x, and then that upon the original term. Now here original term in the denominator is 3x. So that equal to limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus 100x upon 100x into, now here we cancel x from numerator and denominator, so we left with 100 upon 3, and that equal to, now here the bracket gives answer 1 by using limits of logarithmic function and into 100 upon 3. So finally 1 into 100 upon 3 gives 100 upon 3. So in this way we get limit x tends to 0 fx is equal to 100 upon 3. Let us this denote as a equation 2. And from equation 1 and 2 we conclude that limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to f0, and therefore f of x is continuous at point x equal to 0. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.